Any mention?
Me, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of an unlisted matter, Lordship, to be posted on Monday.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, here, Lordship, we are challenging the penalty order dated 21/7/23, which has been imposed by Registrar General and Commissioner of Census.
You said before, single bench, division bench?
Single bench, Lordship.
Sure. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in item number 25, we would like to file an additional affidavit to bring on record some documents which were inadvertently not filed earlier.
Who's there for the... Yes.
Your Lordship, they bring leave to file additional affidavit. Can you permit us to file an objection, Lordship? Because they're filing at this belated stage, when the hearing stage already, Lordship.
These documents were inadvertently not filed earlier, and
How important are they?
they are important because it cancels the notification which we have attached in our affidavit, Your Lordship.
But how could you attach a cancel notification also?
Inadvertently, it was by oversight, Your Lordship. We have done it.
Well, MST Yang EB, EAG, please that we are allowed to file an additional affidavit, bring record. Which notification? A notification dated
13th October 2020, Your Lordship.
13th of 2020, 13th
Yes,
October 2020, which has a grave bearing on the instant matter. Next one, Mr. Lasangura,
There's another
the counsel for
2018, not that one.
the petitioner has raised objection and raised that he may be allowed to file.
Objection.
Objection, Lordship.
Yes, objection to the additional affidavit, yes.
Pledge.
We are allowed this up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship. Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. 27.
Yes.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
It's difficulty, Lordship.
What difficulty? What's the matter about?
It's regarding the appointment, Lordship.
School teacher?
No. Yeah, there was a vacant post for Lordship. So
You're paying for with the state.
Yeah, it's a joint prayer, Lordship.
You are?
For respondent
You're a teacher
4 and 5.
serving in the school.
Yes. As
post.
Arlington.
Who are you?
I'm representing on behalf of as Arlington respondent 4 and 5.
No, are you the teacher who's occupying the post now?
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Are you the teacher who is occupying the post now working?
We have
Oh,
no
yes,
idea.
yes, Your Lordship.
And you are appearing? Correspondent number? No objection.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Back to mention item number 28, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, the conducting counsel is unavailable today. Kindly allow us 2 weeks' time, Lordship, for hearing.
Who's this matter is regarding?
This is which comes to the expiry, also lease expiry, I think going to
Yes,
expire something. Like
Expire? About to expire.
it may expire or something like that, Your Lordship.
Okay. No objection? 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
May it please, Lordship.
What is this, Mr. Pandey?
Lordship, this is against non-compliance of order dated 3rd December 2025, passed by this Honorable Court, Lordship.
What order say?
Lordship, the order says that the petitioner ought to have been reinstated into service after expiry of 90 days. But it's already been almost 3 months, Lordship. They have not acted upon the order, new authorities.
Never reinstated.
No, Lordship. No order has been passed yet. No action has been taken, as per my
Yes,
information.
sir. Mr. Pandey, Mayor Counsel Petitioner, issue notice. How many respondents?
2 respondents.
2 respondents. Steps are taken within 2 days. Just after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
Also, the similar matter has been moved to Supreme Court.
I'll just give you a Lordship, so we backdrop of what has happened. This is the second round of litigation. Lordships may recall this is a matter where the Cantonment Leaseholders Association was before Lordships, assailing the manner in which the standard table of rent was determined. There were certain instructions which were issued by the government with regard to categorization of land based on utility, then compilation of rent valuations, which was sent to the DC for the concurrence, and thereafter it was supposed to be published, and then it would take formal shape. The Lordships in that writ petition had held that there was a substantial compliance with those rules. Challenging that order, we moved a writ appeal before the Honourable Division Bench. Now, the Honourable Division Bench directed the respondent authorities to allow us to file an objection to the proposed valuation, hear us, and then pass a reasoned order.
But the valuation is already done, right?
My lord. Correct.
Yes, then?
The STR had already been prepared.
Yes.
We were assailing that the STR was not in adherence with the extant rules. Now, the Honourable Division Bench was of the view, and they've referred to judgments of the Honourable Supreme Court, that when the state acts in this matter with regard to fixation of rent, it has to be fair and reasonable. That was the basis. So, on that premise, the order was not set aside, but they were treated to be proposed demand notices, and we were asked to be relegated before the respondent authorities for a proper hearing. We filed our detailed objections on several issues, and our objections were rejected. In our humble submission, the reasons are very perfunctory and very specious. Now, in the meantime, what has happened, one of the parties, which was also before this honourable court, but in court number 4, upon your lordship's order in the learned single bench, his writ petition came to also be dismissed. He also preferred a writ appeal before the division bench. All those 3 writ appeals were heard together and disposed of by a common order. Now, we thereafter went back to the respondent authorities for the hearing. This other party decided to approach the Honourable Supreme Court, because the Honourable Supreme Court has passed some sort of a protection order.
Protecting all of you?
Not all of us, this particular party. Now, the problem is that in respect of the same order, there is an appeal before the Honourable Supreme Court. Let's see the last line, Lord.
We can't take this matter up now.
No, can you see the last line, Lord? In the meanwhile, subject proceedings shall go on, but no order of eviction shall be passed against the petitioner. So these proceedings have ended, culminated in a final order of rejection. Now, we are only asking for the similar protection with regard to eviction for the timing, Lord. In the meantime, they may file their responses.
Then it become redundant if you find that the matter is...
No, it's also collateral. There were proceedings pending before the Allahabad High Court. Now, the Allahabad High Court has taken a view that the interim policy on the basis of which we were subjected to the STR, that has been struck down. Now,
Allahabad High Court?
Yes, my lord. In my humble submission, that has a pan-India effect. My lords?
On what ground?
They said that the authorities did not have the power to issue that particular instruction under the interim policy of 2017. I've enclosed a copy of this order, my lord. And that order has been stayed by the Honourable Supreme Court. Now, the judgment respect of the Shillong case...
The matter of Allahabad High Court being taken up together with this...
That is what we are informed of. They've all been clubbed together.
Clubbed together?
Yes.
Then becomes a bigger issue.
Correct. Yes. So, he has some protection. We are asking for similar protection.
Yes, Mr. Manta.
I have to obtain instruction similar, because since that is...
Only with regard to eviction, my lords. That's all.
Yeah, let it come after a week.
All right. Very well.
Obtain instruction. But Mr. Send Leonard Counsel, the petitioner. Issue notice, Senior Counsel. Dr. M. Muzika Leonard DGI with Emmer Chung is present on behalf of respondents 1, 2, 3,
4 and 5.
And Mr. S. Manta with so and so present on behalf of 4 and 5. As such, no for the notice to respondent. No. And setting number B for 6. So no for the notice 1. So no for the notice is required stuff. The matter concerns. Actually, record that. We just the matter concerns the
Standard
table of rents, which have been put to challenge in a rare litigation. Standard table of rents in the Shillong cantonment, which have been earlier subject to litigation, and as submitted is now pending adjudication before the Honourable Supreme Court in a similar matter. Leonard Counsel has produced this which date is this order?
16/2/2026.
Order dated 16/2/2026 passed in SLP special member exam. So wherein the similarly situated petitioner has been given protection as regards eviction. Next paragraph. Mr. Esmanta appearing for the answering respondents for 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Please without to obtain instructions.
In fact, this would move Supreme Court for transferring the case to Supreme Court.
Yes.
We'll decide that on it.
Yes, sir. Please for without one week time to obtain instructions.
Gotcha. Highly obliged on it. Much.
Otherwise, we can't just go to court storage again. So you keep on mentioning after 6 weeks, whether this is Supreme Court after 10 weeks.
Get transferred.
Better get transferred.
Yes. Obliged on it.
Item number 3.
My lord, in this petition, my lord, I'm raising a very narrow but important issue, my lord, concerning fairness in public employment, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioners, there are 2 petitioners, my lord. The petitioners are the department engineers of NEPCO, my lord.
Department engineers.
Department, they are the
Serving engineers, you mean?
Serving engineers, my lord.
In-service engineers.
Sir, in-service engineers, my lord. Both of them have put up around 15 to 18 years of service, my lord. Now there was an advertisement, my lord. Advertisement is at page 17, my lord. Page 17. Page 17, annexure 1, my lord. Just take my note to this. My lord will. My lord has got page 17. Page 17, my lord. My lord, the post and grade serial number 1, my lord. The post that we are concerned is executive training, electrical E2 grade, my lord. And there are 13 number of vacancies, my lord. Now these 13 numbers.
13 numbers.
Yes, 13 numbers are there, my lord. Out of these 13 numbers, 10% are always reserved for the in-service engineers, my lord. Now
10% or 10 posts?
No, 10% only. Out of 13, my lord, which means that out of 13 now, 1 post will be reserved for the in-service engineers.
1.3 posts.
My lord, 1.314, my lord. So, my lord, in subsequent to this, my lord, for the in-service engineers, this circular page 25. Page 25, my lord, annexure 2.
Yes.
This circular has come, my lord, for filling up of one post, and my lord will see the criteria has to be like 15 years who have completed other 15 years of
service. Is from in-service. This is only for in-service.
This is only for in-service, my lord. Now, in response to this circular, my lord, 3 of us have applied for the post, my lord. And one of our colleague got the post, and 2 of us who are before my lord were empaneled, my lord. Now, subsequently, my lord, another advertisement has come up.
Now, the person who has got the post, he's been absorbed.
He has been absorbed, and 2 of us has been waiting, my lord.
Right.
Now, now another circular comes, my lord, by 31 page, my lord, annexure 5. Annexure 5. And again, this is for the in-service, my lord. So now the 2 posts of executive training became vacant, my lord.
Okay. Same post.
Same post, my lord. For e-post, my lord. Now, can you look at the experience, 15 years in experience in NEPCO, which means now these 2 posts, because we are already empaneled and we have got 18 years, 15 to 18 years of in-service, my lord. These posts, we are supposed to be absorbed, my lord, because only 2 persons are qualified for this, my lord. Now, what we are aggrieved with is with the corrigendum, my lord, at page 33. Corrigendum is page 33, my lord.
Yes.
They have reduced the criteria, my lord, from experience, revise the close experience, my lord, has got 15 years experience to now 5 years of experience, my lord. So now what happened is, my lord,
increase the.
They have
but then yes. Your submission is that selection is already over.
No, this selection, mother, this is a
fresh selection.
This is a fresh selection,
so they're not within the power to prescribe any eligibility criteria as per the requirements.
My lord, we were only empaneled, and our empanelment was for the period of 6 months. 6 months, my lord. Now this advertisement corrigendum has come within 4 months, my lord. 4 months. So that is where the illegality and arbitrariness is, my lord.
Yes, sir, Mr.
So, my lord, I am just praying for my lord is issuing notice, interim relief. Otherwise, my lord, it will become infractions and there will be irreparable loss of injury, my lord.
Take it on Mr. P.O. with counsel petition. No one's appearing.
My lord,
No standing counsel is there, I suppose.
Standing. My lord, earlier Mr. Jindal was there, but we're not very sure, my lord, now because. So anyway, we'll take immediate service, my lord.
Yeah. First, also issue notice. Only all of them need correspondingly. No other response. Correct.
No, my lord. No. Only the officials, my lord.
Issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Steps to be taken within 2 days. The grievance submitted petitioner is with a circular with the corrigendum dated with that
19th November 2000, Annexure 6, page 33, my lord.
19 with the corrigendum dated 19/11/2025, whereby in the criteria for appointment to the post of executive trainee.
Yes, my lord, executive
bracket,
trainee.
Electrical/mechanical close bracket and executive trainee.
Civil.
Executive trainee bracket civil. The experience has been reduced from 15 years to 5 years. The experience required has been reduced from 15 years to 5 years. Mr. P. Ubin submits that there are two petitioners here in this petition.
I'm sorry,
there are two
two petitioners are there, my lord.
Petitioners herein have already been impaneled for the said post, having the requisite experience of 15 years, and submits that due to the corrigendum, their legitimate expectation to being absorbed in the said post, which is limited to in-service candidates, will be frustrated. Will be expectation will be defeated. Yes. He prays that as the corrigendum, or he submits that corrigendum was issued within.
Within 4 months, my lord.
Within 4 months from the date of the advertisement, from the date of circular calling for applications, and with and I forget about that. Therefore, prays for some interim protection as a stage. So, make the further council parties. On the parties on hearing, let counsel or the petitioner. It is seen that the circular, the concerned circular, that is 20 in this circular,
23rd October,
dated 23rd October 2025. The experience required, which is indicated there, is 15 years, which has been reduced to 5 years by the impugn corrigendum, which will definitely, therefore, lessen the chances of the petitioner to qualify or to be successful upon to set post, not qualify. So in this view, the matter, a prima facie case has been made out for some interim protection to the stage. This is directed that the stage is that therefore directed that until the next date, no further action should be taken on the basis of the circular and corrigendum. Circular dated 23 October 2025 and corrigendum dated
19th November 2025.
Why did you come earlier?
My lord, we have been filing representations after. That's why, my lord. Deeply obliged, lordship.
Item number 4.
My lord, this is also again, my lord, is a very short but a serious issue of administrative illegality, my lord. The petitioner is a Jugali, my lord. Petitioner is a Jugali with the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, my lord. And now what happened, my lord, he was appointed since 2018, my lord. Now what happened was in the month of March 2023, my lord, there was a fire incident at the residence of one of the village in Rambrai, my lord. Rambrai. So Rambai, my lord. So I was in duty. So I had shut down the electric, the KV, my lord, or what you call the power station, my lord. So in order to prevent further damages for safety reasons, my lord, I've shut down. Now, subsequently, my lord, the father of the victim, whose house was gutted, my lord, filed an FIR. And in that FIR, I was also implicated, my lord. I was also implicated, and I got arrested also, my lord. And
FIR here.
FIR is there, my lord. Page. Page number 21, my lord, and page number 22 is a trial. Paragraph 3 will be relevant for our purpose, my lord. It is to be noted that one accused, namely Shri Deshim O Lamarong, so-and-so Kanor of Rambai Sindrang Sangkhan village, was caught red-handed by the public while he was committing offence of arson attack. Taking advantage of darkness, his other associates ran away, but I strongly suspect that alongside 6 to 7 of his associates, one person by the name of Salon, having phone number so-and-so control room worker at MECL, is involved, as he tripped the electricity before setting my house on fire. So accordingly, my lord, we were 3 of us in a duty. We were all arrested also, my lord. Now there was an
allegation is that you facilitated the arson attack.
Yes,
shut
yes,
off the power.
yes, my lord. Now subsequently, my lord, the charge sheets were filed, and then I was dropped from the charge. There was no incriminating evidence against me, my lord.
What's the problem now?
Now the problem is, my lord, since March 2023, my salary has been stopped, my lord. My salary has been.
You've served notice.
We have served a notice, but nobody has appeared, my lord. My salary has been stopped. There is no suspension order. There is no departmental proceeding, my lord.
You file representations.
We have filed a representation, also filed legal notice. Also, we have issued, my lord.
Mr. Preoben, issue notice. It is submitted as to the respondents have been served.
Yes, my lord.
It is submitted that sponsor, but however, there is no appearance on behalf of the said response today. Pressure to ensure that the standing counsel is available next day.
My lord.
This on this after 1 week.
After 1 week, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
5.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this is a matter regarding freezing of account of a disputed account, but the petition, your lordship, which I have received does not have the annexures, although in the body of the petition it is mentioned.
What is this, Mr. Majal?
It's some mistake, from our part. We will provide the annexures.
The constitution please be allowed to correct the defects in the petition served upon the government council.
Yes.
When Monday. To correct the defects in the course of the day. Yes, it's on Monday.
Daily list item number 1.
Actually, we are awaiting affidavit by the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship, we need some time because we need to check the latest status of the departmental proceedings.
Earlier on.
The latest status of the departmental proceeding against the petitioner, as well as the criminal case which is pending, Your Lordship. We have to check the latest status.
Have been checked by now. This matter from 24.
It's been more than a year now.
Us 2 weeks time, Your Lordship. Will file it, the affidavit.
Why are you giving this dead end cases? You should give you better cases. More than a year. You also sporadically appear to Mr. Bora.
That's what some time may be given. Yes.
Though this matter has been pending for some time, the affidavit is yet to be filed. The respondent stuff. Mr. Thaba today prays that further 2 weeks time be given, and I take that on the next date after will be on board. Yes.
Obliged.
Allowed.
Much obliged.
Item number 2. Item number 2.
Then he just left just now, his case on. And it's just been restored after we dismissed for default. Who's been for the state? No one for the state also. It's becoming a regular occurrence.
Your Lordship, I believe item number 1 and 2 are connected.
Connected?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes. Mr. Bora, why you ran away?
Two also same.
They should have informed the court.
3.
Just together was something.
Who's the amendment?
Yes, yes.
What is this?
My lord,
This is contempt matter. Have you filed affidavit?
Yeah, no, my lord, here I have filed application for
Amendment, my lord.
amendment of the contempt, my lord.
Impleading who?
Oh, impleading.
Implement the new CEO, secretary.
Peter Marak, take Miss case. Miss Contempt case. Number 44. It's an application for completion of Sri Peter Marak Secretary Executive Committee. Garo's Council as 3 respondent. CM compared to Miss SD person allowed CPT Marak period as a party respondent in the contempt proceeding.
The previous respondent name may be struck down, my lord.
And the previous respondent will be struck off. Registry to make every correction in the court title.
2 and 3 and 4 is same.
Same order.
5.
May I please, Your Lordship? Can you allow us some more time, Your Lordship, to file affidavit?
To file affidavit or rejoinder?
Rejoinder, Your Lordship.
How many times you asked?
This will be the 4th time, Your Lordship.
No.
1 week, Your Lordship.
Filing of rejoinder stands closed. It's a matter for hearing.
1 week, Your Lordship.
No.
6.
You
Bless
make
your
up
Lordship.
4 times. Okay, we'll give you concession. This is a matter for the. This is the 4th time that prayer has been made for filing the rejoinder. So, list the matter for hearing. In the interest of justice, however, the petitioner permitted to file the rejoinder in the meanwhile.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
6.
I keep on saying rejoinder is not a matter of right. Not anything.
This matter can fix for hearing, Your Lordship. All the
affidavit
respondents has filed their affidavit.
We have filed, my lord.
Yes, the parties submitted pleas are complete. This matter for hearing.
7.
Lordship, yesterday only I received the counter affidavits.
This is Rajat.
Oh, Rajat. Oh, sorry.
May please, Your Lordship. I'm praying for some more time to file an affidavit.
You say you received the affidavit?
No, Lordship.
Taken with
Some other case,
matter,
Lordship.
2 weeks further time as period allowed. Affidavit is.
Highly obliged.
8.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is a pension matter, my lord. They have not yet filed an affidavit, my lord.
They were filed. When was it
I
filed?
have already prepared affidavit. I'm just waiting for the signature of the deponent, Your Lordship. I mean,
Where the
just-
deponent staying?
The deponent is in Shillong.
Tell them to come today.
Just give 1 week's time. I'll just file it. I have already drafted.
What department is it?
It's from Department of this Employment and Craftsman Training.
Then you tell them to come right away. It's just down the road. You can't come to, we will pass orders. If you can't come and, for a pension matter, you can't come and file affidavit.
I couldn't communicate to come for the signature, so.
Oh, you say that. Why you file it? They should have submitted that after will be filed in the course of the day. After 2 weeks for rejoinder of any. You file in the course of the day. That's very harsh, otherwise.
9.
Some council affidavits will never come.
Please, Your Lordship. The matter can come up for hearing.
My lord, 9 to 12, these are connected matters. The prayer of the petition is for release of DCRG, and we have already released it, my lord.
So on the last occasion, I have made a submission that this case is infructuous because we have addressed, my lord, what they have
Got
prayer.
any instruction regarding the
Who's the pain,
illegality.
Mr. Hassan?
Hassan, no.
He's not here.
He's on his leg in courtroom number 1.
We'll
His
take it out for some time.
lordship.
If it's unfructuous, why you just burden the kid?
Lordship.
13.
Okay, Mr. Abraham, you file it by Monday. By Monday, not go Thursday. Otherwise,
We filed our affidavit, Your Lordship. It's pending for rejoinder.
no one appears for the petitioner. This matter of hearing. Yes, Mr. Karindo, you don't appear. You're not filing the joinder. Yes?
13.
Your Lordship, I pray for some more time for Rejoinder.
How long?
Give 2 weeks time. At the same time, we have to fix for hearing. We will.
Yes. Ms. Given Karindo, please leave it out 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder.
At the same time, we will fix for hearing.
And also submit that the matter can be received for hearing. Once after 2 weeks for hearing. Yes.
Much obliged.
14.
The respondent number 3 has served us a copy, but it appears that it's in defect, has not been filed.
Number 3, has served your copy meaning?
The served copy, my lord.
Well, they had filed a counter affidavit. They had served us a copy also, but we have learnt is that the copy was incomplete.
Who has who?
Mr. Jesila.
Where is he? He's here.
Yes, my lord.
What's the matter about?
My lord, this is
association, my lord.
Yes, you filed
we
effective affidavit.
are filing affidavit in the course of day, my lord. But once copy already served to the.
No, but Dr. Mozik has the defective affidavit.
They served us a copy, but what we learned that is not been filed in this.
No, we have filed, my lord. We have just filed.
Okay, Mr. J. Shillal, counsel number 3, submits that the affidavit
we filed a new updated.
will be filed in the course of the day. Then we just have to tweak for rejoinder of any.
My lord, also we had seeked leave of this court, Your Honor, to file an affidavit with regards to certain incriminating videos that they are circulating towards me as the petitioner filing this case, and also towards towards the
I
proceeding.
hope not objectionable videos.
Might be, Your Honor. We may are we allowed to file an affidavit? No, we may be allowed to file an affidavit.
By person number 3 being circulated.
My lord, by the person running that organization of respondent number 3, Mr. Nair. I had appraised the court on the last date also, Your Honor, my lord. But my lord, the petitioner has not been able to travel down to give us further instruction on it. So it may be kept open.
My lord. If there's such video, we'll advise a client to take off those videos, my lord.
My lord, it's been on YouTube,
We'll
several
advise you to
hundreds
take
and
off.
thousands of views, and our issue is that they have been uploading it. They should not have.
Yes, this for rejoinder if any stop. Next parameter N. Kera, another counsel with petitioner, also apprised of court that certain objectionable videos of the petitioner
And for the proceedings also, in respect of the proceedings also, my lord.
of the petitioner and respect of proceedings have been uploaded on YouTube. Stop. The praiser, if you're allowed to find an affidavit to bring the same on record, stop. However, Mr. J. Shilla, appearing for number 3, has submitted that he will immediately inform his clients to refrain from such activity and to take down any objective videos that may have been circulated. Yes.
But the interim order will continue. There's an interim order.
Yes, already 2 weeks, yes. Interim order shall continue till next year, yes.
15.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we're awaiting instructions in these matters.
What's the
Your
matter
Lordship.
about?
These are for Lordship termination of service in the health department.
Contractual appointment, Your Lordship, of 59 days.
Now, what right do you have?
Lordship, we are praying for some consideration, Lordship, because we have served for several years and all throughout COVID
Which
and all.
department is serving in?
Health
Health
department.
Department, Your Lordship.
As what?
Different
grade,
various
grade?
posts, 4th grade, Lordship. 4th grade posts, the various posts.
They've been working how long?
Lordship, they have been working for
About 8 to 9 years, Lordship, maximum, but not more than 10. That is why Lordship is.
You already discontinued from service?
Some have been discontinued, some are still there, Lordship. These are clubbed and hospital-wise, Lordship. There are 4 matters.
Just a mercy petition?
Lordship, they can consider, Lordship, some relief can be granted, Lordship, because they have served.
We're awaiting instructions, Your Lordship. We've not received
Pandemic and all, they have served, so they are also little. 15 to 18,
Yes,
Lordship.
MSZ numbly appeal for respondents prays for further 2 weeks' time to enable the appeal instructions to file affidavit if necessary. Otherwise, you argue it on this.
Your Lordship.
15 to 18.
19.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
You filed affidavit.
Where's the petitioner?
Be
Yes, sir. Dr. M. Musikalche submits affidavit since been filed. No one's present on behalf of the petitioner. Just for 2 weeks for rejoinder if any. Yes.
20.
So here we have taken a step to the private respondent. We have taken a step to the private respondent, Lordship. At the
Number 5?
Yes, Lordship.
5 and 6?
Only 5, Lordship.
Isn't it 5 and 6 open?
There is no 6, Lordship.
There's no 6.
5.
Yes.
5 is the first wife of the
Big type 6. Okay.
pensioner, Lordship.
Officer indicates that service not complete on spot number 5. Mr. Ashik prays for and allowed to obtain status of service.
Lordship.
1 to 4, I'm praying for some more time. 1 to 4, I'm praying for some more time.
And Dr. Ambosik on behalf of respondents 1, 2, and 4. Phase 1 allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
21.
List also.
Same.
21 also. This is also this. There is no private respondent here. Only the Union of India.
1 to 4, I'm praying for some more time.
1 to 4.
And allowed further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, also.
22.
I'm praying for 2 weeks time.
2 weeks, my lord, all my goods will get spoiled, my lord. My lord, before that, my lord, can I just take my lord to page number 7, my lord, of my...
This is a betel nut seizure, my lord.
Betel nut seizure. Page number 7.
Come against they are free to reply to the participate in the proceedings.
My lord,
any order is passed, that will give them cause of action, my lord. As of now.
My lord, the entire seizure was illegal, my lord. That's why, my lord, just page 7, my lord. Page 7. Page 7, paragraph 15, my lord. I'll just read this. The ground, one of the ground, my lord, and take to the seizure.
We've seen that last time. Last time you
that was that is
young, and you came from Dauki, and you said it came from Garo Hills.
That's from Garo Hills, not from Dauki, my lord. That is,
but then according to
them,
got a statement of your driver that picked up the Supari from Bangladesh border.
No, my lord. That is
not only that, my lord. I have this map also, my lord.
G tagged him.
G tagged him. Loaded from Bangladesh border.
My lord,
how do you get the G tag in the truck?
Exactly, my lord. How do they get a G tag, my lord?
Mobile number.
Mobile number.
They have some technology.
My lord,
the Google Maps have done you in.
My lord, this just page 15.
They can participate in the proceedings. They can respond to that. They can file.
No, we have already participated in the proceedings, my lord. We have given our statement also. But the question is, my lord, why, my lord, page 15? I'll just read, my lord. Because the Honorable High Court in so and so cases, my lord, at the paragraph 10 held as under. It is well settled that the reason to believe must be based upon acceptable materials, which have to be more than a moonshine. The material on record overwhelmingly suggests that the reasons to believe were based upon the opinion of the local dealers, prima facie examination of the goods by naked eye, and inscription of foreign language on some bags. We are not inclined to accept the reasons given for forming a belief excessive power of seizure are valid in law. The said reasons were even failed to test the witness bias principle, as no reasonable person can reach to conclusion of the country of origin of acornuts by mere perusal from naked eye, as well as the opinion of the traders. As the institute as well as the ministry have firmly opined that the country of origin cannot be traced by any laboratory's method also, my lord. Now, my lord, can you look
How
at...
do you say that? How do you say that? You know, beetle nut, just by eating it, you know which place has come.
My lord, that can be...
Ask him, he'll know.
My lord, that can be in the normal parlance, but when it comes to a
Normal
legal...
parlance, even with regard to wines, from any region of France, if you give a glass of wine to a experienced taster, it's tell exact village from where it comes from.
Wine testers would know better.
Yes. Even wine eaters will know.
But
why some people they say, oh, this is koi from Dauki, oh, this is koi from koi is not tasty. Then
my lord, my lord, that is right, my lord. But here, my lord, what they say
how
is
this anyway. That's just in jest.
So, my lord, now I have...
See, it's not on the question of origin. It's a question of the investigation, the fact, this and statements of your driver that he picked up from Dauki. Now you have brought some documents later on to show that you didn't show them at that point of Seizure that they're from Garo Hills. So that you take part in the proceedings.
We have already taken part.
Take part in the proceedings, and if any order comes against you, you're free. You always have. It's not a question that you're remediless.
My lord, we have already taken part, my lord.
I've been informed the forensic report has come, my lord. Food experts report. It is unfit for human consumption.
Unfit for, then, my lord, my
That's
application...
why they make it to good car. So
my application of 110 is still pending with them, my lord. It's been pending since for past more than a month, my lord. Now.
That's a different cause of action.
No,
if they're agreed by that, my lord, they have to come by a different writ petition.
Well,
or they have file an appeal against that.
What is the value? 80 lakhs.
That is their estimate, my lord.
80 lakh, 70
bags.
160 bags.
Yes.
ML12 is from which? East of Giant Hills.
It's a southwest, my lord. ML12, yes. Southwest Khasi Hills, ML12. And my lord, I have all these transit challenge from the KHADC, my lord. No. And this, my Betulnath, my lord, the suparis are bought from the local market, my lord.
No,
collected.
See that it's still.
That is an investigation, I believe.
Nothing conclusive as yet. So you will take part in the proceeding.
No, I am already taking part in my proceeding.
Final order will be passed, my lord. They should cooperate. Will pass final order, my lord.
This is case number 5, CL IMP.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
Will dispose of?
Yes, my lord.
Well, my lord may dispose of with as it is. I'm already taking part, my lord. Dispose of with the direction, my lord, to consider my 110 application at the earliest, my lord.
In accordance with law.
In accordance with law, my lord.
I got some time. The truck's released.
No, my lord.
Why are you keeping the truck?
The owner is, because it appears, my lord, there is no, even the registration is expired, my lord. No road expired of the truck. So these are all bogus trucks, my lord.
My lord, this is a used truck, my lord, which I've purchased. It's a used truck.
Registered owner is
no, it's a small truck.
It's a second-hand truck, my lord.
Oh, it's a used truck.
Yes, my lord. It's a second-hand truck, my lord.
Oh, that's why.
The person who is come for Mali is not the registered owner.
He's not a registered owner. So who the driver doesn't have a license also?
The license are with them only, my lord.
No, the driver had a valid license.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Driving license maybe, my lord.
But there were no registration documents.
Yes, my lord.
The registration documents were to a fair submission. It was expired, my lord. It was an expired.
So no insurance, no registration.
No insurance, nothing, my lord.
All points to legal activities. Yes.
Customs appeal.
Just take down the petitioner who stated to be a local trader engaging in betel nut trade is before this court challenging the seizure of a consignment on 6/1/2026 while the same was being transported from Karuhil to Shalang, while same was being
Mahadev, my lord.
transported
From Mahadev, my lord.
which had been transported. Stop. The respondents come not just come back. Top areca nuts. Those dried areca nuts. It's in dried dealing in dried areca nuts.
Yes, my lord.
Local dealing in dried areca nuts. By respondents, while the same was being transported, stop in a truck bearing number ML120072. Stop. Mr. P.U. Bin, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that. What is submission? What's the illegality of the seizure?
My lord, because this, my lord, they have reason for seizure, my lord. There is no materials whatsoever except saying that it's an.
Mr. P.U. Bin has submitted that the petitioner was engaged in lawful trade of transportation, and the seizure by the respondent is not based on any substantive information or facts, nor is there any reason to believe on their part that the same is smuggled dried areca nuts. Further, what is the submission? Further, he submits what?
My lord, it's a local produce. It's a local produce.
Yeah, that's always said it's not smuggled, yes.
And I am basing my submissions on two judgments, my lord, which is I've reproduced at paragraph 15 and also paragraph 17.
Unnecessary judgments at this stage. Yes. He therefore feels that appropriate orders be passed, releasing the. You ask for release?
Yes, my lord.
Release of the goods into his custody and also from any further course of action being taken pursuant to the seizure dated 6/1/2026. Stop. Next para Dr. M. Mozika, DHI appearing for the respondents has submitted that the petitioner's goods were seized on the
basis of source information, my lord, that it is loaded from Bangladesh border.
On the basis of source information that the said dried areca nuts had been loaded from the
near Bangladesh
border. He further submits that as the proceedings are underway, the petitioner is already participating. He further submits that as the petitioner already participates in the proceedings before the respondents, the petition is premature. He therefore prays that he therefore submits no interference as called for at this stage. Mr. P.U. Bin on submission of in reply submitted that though the petitioner is participating in proceedings, an application under Section 110 or Customs Act, which has been filed, has not been disposed of. On hearing the counsel for the parties and on the limited issue that is involved herein, from a perusal of the phone materials, it is seen that it is seen that the action amounting to seizure amount or rupees of over 88 lakhs had been seized from the truck, so numbers as submitted, and also that the reasons for seizure have also been, and the reason for seizure is under the charge of illegal importation to India in contravention of the Customs Act. So, as submitted the petitioner, however, as submitted that however, as it is submitted that the petitioner is participating in proceedings, this court at this court at this stage sees that no interference is called for, and as such, the writ petition is closed with direction that the proceeding be completed expeditiously,
and also my lord,
the application of section
110A.
A or E?
Capital A.
110A of the writ petitioner be given due consideration and disposed of in accordance with law.
My lord.
With the above quoted direction, matter stands closed and disposed of.
My lord, this application is pending for more than if any time bound is given, my lord.
It is expected that the entire, how long?
Because main proceedings will take some time. 110A can be disposed of in 4 weeks' time.
Expected that the application section of 110A should be disposed of in a period of 4 weeks from today.
My lord, obliged.
Second call item number 9.
Yes.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, this matter
Yes, MSZ
matters 4 items.
She has submitted earlier on, correct?
No, it was our colony, Your Lordship. It was
Our
colony.
colony. Yes, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, these 4 matters, connected matters, are supposed to fix in for hearing, my lord. With regard to the interest part, my lord, delayed payment. The payment has been released to the teachers.
Payment has been released or not?
Yes, released this month only, my lord.
This month?
Yes, this month.
What remains in petition?
The remains, my lord, only the interest part.
Have
my
you
lord.
prayed for interest here?
Yes, my lord, I prayed for.
Yes.
My lord was agreed to hear,
Your
my
Lordship,
lord.
the delay was due to because we were awaiting the sanction from the government, but we've already
How long
released.
the delay?
My lord, more than 1 year, my lord. 1.5 years about. I am exactly, my lord, because there is a, we have to find out the date from which date another second installment of 6 point.
That is what, on which date was it due?
Yes,
and
my
which
lord.
date did we pay?
Yes, my lord.
We'll be entitled to 6% or something? At the,
My lord, I have few judgments, my lord, wherein, my lord, in 2014 and 2003, these 2 judgments, my lord, on the Supreme Court has given 10% of interest.
Doesn't
my
matter, this court is consistent
My
with
lord,
6%.
my lord, my lord.
In that case, let
place.
it come for hearing, Your Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
What's there to hear?
Your Lordship.
Gratuities are right.
Yes, Your Lordship, but we've already released, Your Lordship.
You've
the
released,
CRT.
but then you have to pay interest for the delayed
But the
payment.
delay was not intentional, Your Lordship. We were awaiting
Intentional or not,
sanction, Your
yes.
Lordship. In that case, let it come for hearing, Your Lordship. Fix it for hearing.
My lord.
What's there to hear? You can finish it now.
I'll. My lord. I bought 2 judgments.
It's
If
okay,
my
Your
lord
Lordship.
allows, then.
Okay, parties pray that the matters be posted for hearing. No, Thomisha. But Thomas Hassan, learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the DCRG has already been paid to the petitioners, and the only question that remains is the claim to interest on the delayed payment. So, MS Islandwa prays the matter be
Fix for hearing, Your
fixed for hearing
No, my lord.
on this issue. Released for hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord. My lord. Highly
Lordship.
obliged, my
Right,
lord.
Lordship.
Hearing 23.
Highly obliged.
Some hearing.
Now, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have received the translated copy, my lord, from the. This last occasion, my lord, I made a submission that the
What happened?
annexure, my lord, enclosed by the respondent number 5, my lord, has skipped some of the important paragraphs, my lord, in his translation. Thereafter, my lord was pleased to send it before the translator, my lord.
Correctly translated?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, you've compared it.
You have compared it, my lord, it's missing with the.
Mr. P.T. Sama, have you compared it? You're agreeable that the because I can't discern. Is it correct translation?
Is it correct?
Correct only. Only one that what appropriate only that is the missing. We can go through.
No, is it? If see someone substance, is it correct?
Correct.
Is it correct?
Correct only because here also they have stated the map submitted by the petitioner there is the same and identical. Same thing also is reflected even in my translation also. But only that Akung number that 1111 only what appropriate is only that is the thing. But other the whole content is the same.
In fact, that particular paragraph is going in my favor, my lord.
Which paragraph is that?
That's bottom paragraph, my lord, page 2 of the translation, my lord.
At this juncture?
Yeah, at this juncture, registration of Amate Akang by Sri Rekshan is also appropriate because the registration of the said Akang will be done from within Moza number 324. It is appropriate, but the boundary map which are preparing to register should be different as per the inquiry carried out by us. The genesis of the matter is, my lord, that the petitioner, my lord, have approached the district council on the ground that they are from a different Akang, my lord. That it was
the respondent.
No, the petitioner. Yeah, from different Akang, my lord. It's called Chibongri Akang, my lord, which was carved out from Chismokri Akang. But in the inquiry, here they are saying that it's a different Akang, but again the map is same, my lord. So they send it for the inquiry. The inquiry says that this was the first inquiry report, my lord, 2018, which says that Lordship has already gone through this particular paragraph. At this juncture, registration of Amate Akang by Sri Rekson Marak is also appropriate because the registration of the said Akang will be done from within Moza number 324.
Now, why now they say this within the Akang? How?
No, here it is distinguishing, my lord. Here it is saying that the Akang, which I'm claiming, my lord, is from Moza number 324. Whereas the Akang which they are claiming is from 210. 210, my lord. But in the judgment passed by the Deputy CEM, he said that the Akang is within from 210 and it is 3, and that Akang which the petitioner is claiming, 324, is also the same. But it's in fact different Akangs, my lord. If Lordship comes to the affidavit in opposition.
What inquiry report? What is the order generated? That the impugn order came out instead of.
No, after this, another inquiry report was sent.
Spot inquiry was not given any.
No, after this, another inquiry was sent for, my lord. There in that other inquiry, a contradictory finding was made, my lord. That if I've enclosed it. At annexure 26, my lord. Annexure 5, page 26. The type copy would be at page 29, my lord. The relevant portion would be page 30. Lordship comes to number 1. The Damal Gambal Nukab.
Annexure?
5A.
Yes.
But the relevant portion will be at page 30, my lord.
Okay.
So paragraph number 1, it says that the Damal Gambal Nukab Akang was recorded as Damal Gambal Nukab 324 in the year 1970, which is totally false, my lord. Because from the record,
how will the court said no, it's false or true?
No, because I'll compare it, my lord. I'm just coming to this point first. 1970 and before, when late Paljing and Khaljing were registered as Nokma in District Council as per Mambi and proceeding of the then executive member. Then after that, the Damal Gambal Nukab Akang land is recorded as Damal Gambal Nukab 210. Again, it's saying 210, my lord. From the period when Sri Jaksing Marak was registered as Nokma on 410-16.
I don't understand. Now it said Nambal, the same one.
Yes.
Is registered as
210 again.
324.
Yes.
And then the next paragraph
Yes.
says it's the same.
Yes, it's 210. Now the contradiction is here, my lord. But I will show, my lord, there is no contradiction at all. Why, my lord?
So now, the only thing, now he says that, just read the whole paragraph.
Yes.
Damal Gambal, okay, read the whole paragraph. And the
reason why Damal Gambal Nukab 324 recorded as Damal Gambal Nukab Gri 210 is not revealed in the office records. Actually, the whole area of Damal Gambal Nukab Gri Aking fall under Moza number 3. That is also false, my lord. I'll come to that. I'll come to that, my lord. Now, after this, my lord, an order was passed against me by the Deputy CM, my lord. Page 42. That is the type copy, my lord. The actual copy is at page 39, my lord.
Yeah.
So, the relevant portion would be page 43.
Yes.
If Lordship has, if he sees on perusal of the record and GT, my lord.
Yes.
On perusal of record and GT, it is found that 52 AC of 1946-47 to 71 AC of 1947-48, the Amma 324 have been settled way back in the year 1928. That is false, my lord. Which is evident. 324 has not been settled.
Then we have to go back to the record.
No, I'll show that, my lord. I'll come to that, my lord. I'll come to that.
Yes.
Now he's saying 324 has been settled.
Yes.
Whereas 324 has never been settled. The one which has been settled is only 210.
Okay.
Now, which is evident from the report dated, if Lordship kindly marks this, report dated 4/12/2028 or 1928. 4/12/1928. Along with Maambi, submitted by Kangkong Momen, the then Mozadar of Moza number 3 of the Deputy Commissioner G.D. Walker, and same got approved by order dated 17/1/29. That means on the basis of this, my lord, and without following the due process of Dore Sama, it went against me, my lord. The order went against me.
No, but this is a finding on fact. See,
Yes, yes, my lord.
This paragraph says that he's seen the records.
Yes.
Now there was a proceeding in 28.
Yes.
Now the report 28.
Yes.
And then the order was generated by the Deputy Commissioner at that time.
Yes,
Walker
yes.
in 1929.
No. I'm just
Now
trying to.
we're there.
No, I'm just trying to clear, Lordship,
Yes.
that the entire matter is in regard to Moza number 324. Now they are saying that 324 has already been settled, and that my Akang falls under 210, 324. But the interesting fact is that, my lord, 324 and 210 is completely different Akangs, my lord. That I will produce from the affidavit in opposition filed by them, my lord. Lordship comes to the report on which the entire order was passed, my lord. Page 12 of the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 5, my lord.
That's right, Mr. P.T. Sama.
Yes.
Yes.
If Lordship come to page 12,
Yes.
this is the report on the basis of which the judgment came out, my lord, and the inquiry report came out. 28/8/2028, my lord. Have you seen, my lord?
Yes.
Your Honor will due respect to habeas submitting informing the report that Damalgiri 210-1 Gamabri belongs to Khaljing Marak. The map of the Amathe has been prepared, and along with the map of Amathe, the list of successive Nukmas known as Maambi or genealogical tree and the old boundary are submitted to you, to your good office.
Yes,
That is 210, my lord. It's not 324. This is of 28.
So now, and he said, approved the record, he found that by 52 AC, this case.
Yes, my lord.
It has been settled by near 28. The
Yes.
Reported 412 below so and so.
It's the settle.
No, but this is 412. Okay.
This is 412, my lord.
The then division approved.
See the finding, my lord. Now they are saying it's 324.
On 210, yes.
But it's only 210, my lord.
That's quite clear.
Yes, it's quite clear, my lord. Now, after this also, we approached the CEM. CEM also came to the same finding. That 324 and 210 is the same thing. Now, my lord.
So where's 324 now?
Now 324, I'll try to substantiate my claim, my lord. From the, if Lordship has the District Council book, my lord. From the Garo Hills Autonomous District Constitution of Village Council Amendment Rules of 1973.
Page number?
Page 339.
Page?
339, my lord.
Yes.
339. Now they have given an appendix 3, my lord. Please come to page 356.
Appendix 3 is 341. 356.
Yeah, 341. No, the relevant portion, my lord.
Okay. What is the page?
356. 6. Can you come to para 43, my lord?
Yes. Damalgiri.
Damalgiri falls under 210, my lord. And Gambal Nokapgiri also falls under 210, my lord. But in the inquiry report, the revenue officer is saying that there is a confusion. That was settled back way in the year 1970.
43 is 110.
210, my lord. That is 21110. Yes.
110. This is 110.
So, but see, Damalgiri, my lord, falls under.
Is right. See, even in this order dated 29 4/12/28, it says that Damalgiri
falls under 210.
210 bracket 1. That means yes, there will be 1, it will be 10,
Yes.
2-110.
So the first, if Lordship see from para 43, Gambal Nokhapkri, that falls under this Moza number, my lord.
That's number 1.
Yes. Damalgiri is number 3. Now it is clear, my lord, that the respondents are the Nukma of 210. We are not disputing to that, my lord. That has been settled way back in the year 1928. Now we are claiming for 324. Lordship comes to page 372. It has not been recorded, my lord. Why has not been recorded here? The reason that the map has not been, the Akang has not been registered till date, my lord. So,
why?
372, my lord.
372.
Because they were objecting, my lord, that it's of the same map and that my Akang falls under their Akang. It's a part and parcel of their Akang.
372.
372. Page para 99.
No, 324 from 97. From page 371.
372, my lord. Page 372.
That is
Dansigiri A.
Yes.
Lordship comes to 3. 1, 2, 3. Asigre.
Yes.
This Akang falls under 324. And come to number 6, my lord. Chismok Grey. This also falls under 224.
324.
Yeah, 324. So my case is that the Akang was carved out from Chismok Grey Akang, my lord. And to substantiate my claim, my lord, I've also done this GPS mapping from a private surveyor, my lord, just to be clear. Lordship, if you see,
this is just outside Tura, that means this place.
Yeah, this is outside Tura. This is Damalgiri area, my lord. So this Akang, my lord, Chibongre Akang 324. If your lordship sees at the bottom, you'll see the Ganol River. This is the demarcation, my lord. Whatever Akang falls beyond this falls under 210. If lordship finds Damalgiri Nokap in the right hand side, this is the different Akang, my lord.
No, but this is your map.
Yes, my lord.
Can we rely on it?
This is GPS map, my lord. That is why, my lord, evidence should have been taken, my lord. That is my case. Evidence should have been taken, but no evidence was taken, no issues were.
No, but basically the only thing is that it's on 2 different pieces of 2 different accounts.
Yes.
That's all.
No, my contention is that, my lord, that
2 different
accounts, yes.
2 different plots, yes.
Whereas they are saying that it's carved out from the same account. Now the GPS also
yes.
will substantiate.
What about the boundaries that were approved in 1929?
They're the same boundary, my lord. That is very confusing now.
Now, yes, now they'll have to stick the same boundaries when that matter settled with them, the 210 in 1929.
Yes.
By Deputy Commissioner Walker. There was an inquiry, then they identified 210. No. Then 210 was settled by 29. That's not open anymore for discussion. 210.
No, so
Correct.
far as their Akang is concerned,
no,
yes.
No, yes, but then what is the location of that? That's the only thing. Now, whether the boundary maps were drawn up at that time in 29?
No. That is the difficulty, my lord. When we submitted an application, also they should have been demarcated.
No. When there's some applications, always the map always drawn. But in this case, there's no map at all.
No, this case there is a map, but they relied on the same map. On the same map, my lord. Now Chismokri Akang also saying that it's the same map. Damalgiri Nokhap Akang also they're saying the same map. That is the reason why the district councils have demarcated the Akang, my lord. They have not yet demarcated the Akang. Now they are relying on the same map. Both same map, my lord. That is why now that is the reason why I took the pain of sending this one to the private survey so that it could be more clear, my lord, whether it falls under the same map or not. But it doesn't fall under the same map because there is a boundary, my lord, of the Ganol River.
And what map is this? This is at page 13. Damalgiri is Damalgiri only.
Yes, Damalgiri
is there. There's this 210, that means.
Yes, 210, my lord.
If it's this is the map, this is 29 map, this is signed.
Yes, it's 210.
Yeah, but PT Sangma, you have to go by this map only. If this is the Ganal River.
Yeah, Ganol, yes. The boundary is the Ganol River itself, Malo.
Now it says Damalgiri, see, 210 here. So?
The Akhang should be demarcated, Malot, and we should be made Lukmas of the Chismokri Akhang, Malot. That is my contention. And moreover, Malot, if Lordship sees at the topmost, that's a Chismokri Akhang.
Okay.
Chismokri Akhang, Malot, at the topmost.
Yeah, this is Chismokri.
And our contention is that
this is 324.
Yes, 324.
And below it's
210.
210.
Yes. Beyond Ganul River, it's 210.
Yes, but the PT Sama. You agree with submissions?
No, I'm not agree, Lordship, because this GPS map is recently made. How can it be reliable?
No. Regarding the fact that you are Nokmas of 210, correct? You are this Damal
Ginokapri.
Yes, Damal. So now you are 210 has been settled long ago, right? Now they are only trying to assert their rights to a different Akhing, which is 324. That is their contention, and that you are confusing by saying that 324 which is part of 210.
Yes.
Lordship, what happened is actually they don't from all the inquiry report. This whatever they Akhing land, they are claiming it is our land only because it's the same map. They don't have any other different map. The same claim from the Majunda report since from 1928.
So, but if this 324 exists even in the official record, so where is it gone? It can't disappear to thin air. Can it? If it's a claim which is based on any collective material, we can understand. But if the claim is based on it's recorded in the act also, in the map also, in your own map also, which you rely upon a portion which shows as your Chismok Giri, then. So how are we to?
The map which we are.
But even if we send for re-inquiry, will it? What, Mr. T? What purpose will it serve?
Now they have puzzled me, my lord, because the orders speak otherwise. If we have to argue on the Dore Sama and all, I have substance to argue. But now with the map, as my friend has pointed out, I need to take an instruction on this, my lord.
My grievance before this honorable court is that, my lord. That
no, we understand. We understand the grievance. You don't have to, repeat it. We understand. The thing is that you are just. It's like looking for that. You've heard of El Dorado.
Yes, I've heard of
El Dorado. Is the it's like where that land of gold is.
Yes.
So it's like that. Like you're still looking for El Dorado. That's all.
Now the case has gone in different line, as Mr. Momin has pointed out. It has gone in a different line altogether.
No, but it's very interesting.
And if his submission is correct,
you can't ignore.
That is what, my lord.
Lord of Walker can't ignore.
That has not been addressed.
To 210. You can't ignore that.
That has not been
even subsequently. Then if it's 324 is recorded in your act, then where has the land gone?
Now that is which has not been addressed by the CEM.
Yes, that is
that is there, my lord, and I cannot go beyond the order of the CEM, my lord. I have to take instruction on this specific because he has opened a different line of argument by showing that act.
No, his contention is that by not going into all this, they've been,
yes,
principles of whatever.
No, but the fact is this: from 1928, what I understood, my lord, from last 16 years of experience representing the District Council in local matters, it is J.D. Walker and W. Shaw who has make the maps and all, my lord. Now, if their Akhing exists at that point of time, why it was not registered?
Because they kept on objecting, my lord. That was why.
No, now that cannot be a case where from 1928.
Only one thing, the only question, Mr. D, is whether the 324 exists.
This, that I have to take instruction because the present secretary, he has gone to for the spot inquiry, my lord, revenue officer. So now, what was in his mind when he has inquired that I need to take instruction? Because
only thing is, if it is established that 324 existed, so whether it's been subsumed under 210 or whether it can still exist on its own.
It's still existing because the other Akhangs, Malo, like
repeating there.
No, other Akhangs like Chismokri Akhang is still there. It's under 324.
No, from
and
19
Asigre also it falls under 324.
From
Still
19
there. Actually, why I have referred to these Akangs? Because they are neighboring Akangs, my lord.
What
They're neighboring Akangs, my
I
lord.
understand, my lord, from 1928 they failed to register it, and now suddenly they wake
That'll
up.
go against them.
That will go against them. And now, can this honorable court reopen that Pandora box again?
Well, but it's just to get the facts right.
Yes.
Otherwise, there'll be trouble forever also.
Yes.
We have to put everything to a closure.
And my lord needs something very solid to undo 19
years to remand back the matter.
No, we are not trying to undo 1928 order.
You're not trying to undo, we understand.
Yes, my
We're
lord.
trying to have a reappraisal, that's all. Of, where is our land?
Yes.
And whether it forms part of 210.
There's never been part of 210, my lord.
That's the
Yes. Because the Ganol river itself is the demarcation, my lord. So it cannot be.
How do you draw this? How did you get this GIS map for this thing?
So now the private
From the private surveyor, my lord. From the private surveyor, my lord. No, if the now if the
No, the 324 is where's the other
why my contention is 324? Because this,
324, that means this is Chismak and
Chismogre, yes. That is Chismogre Akang. That has been registered.
And it's Asigre on top.
Asigre also. There's a neighboring Akangs, my lord.
Yes.
Just next to Chibongre Akang falls Asigre Akang and Chibongre. Yes.
But
Chismogre Akang.
Asigre goes all around, then Chismogre all around, then comes to the river, then where will your place be?
My place is in the middle, my lord. See.
Yes.
This portion is all Chismogre, Asigre is this right hand side, my lord. But beyond this Karnal river, it's all 324. Below, it's all 210.
No, let's say a map, right side 210, left side 324. So, as per this map, where would 320 your Aking be?
No, the yellow portion, my lord. Yeah, that is the Aking.
Chibongre. Yes, take down Mr. E.G. Movement today has submitted that the inquiry report is incorrect.
Yes. No, the inquiry report of 2020.
No, first you go to inquiry. That is translated copy of the
inquiry
report dated 15/3/2018 is a correct translation.
Now, which was translated by the it's correct, my
lord. By the registry is a correct translation. He further submits that though the findings in this inquiry were correct.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The subsequent inquiry that is dated
11/6/2020.
2020, however, runs contrary to to the facts as placed. Stop. Then the council has also taken this court to the order dated 29 was it? Order dated 17/01/2029, where he submits the list of inhabitants of Damalgre, the MAL Jari 210, Roman 2-10, Bucket 1, along with map, has been defined. So, he submits that as his claim is only with regard to 324, the issue still remains open for consideration by the respondent.
Yes.
At this juncture, Mr. SD submits that as a new issue as a
issue has cropped up with
regard to identification of 324 and 210, 324 Chibongre, Aking land, if it exists, may be put to obtain instructions. So, just after
2 weeks. Now again 2 weeks may not be.
Yes, because of the present situation.
Situation has come down, no?
No, it has come down the office whether they are functioning or not. I will talk with the secretary.
Wouldn't 2 weeks only, then after 3 weeks.
Lodge.
My lord. Hello.
24.
This GPS map we get by walking around or by drone?
No, with that machine walking around.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation. Mr. Shulai is leading this matter and he's on legs, your lordship. There's a part heard matter in court 3.
Maybe.
What's the matter about?
It's for appointment in lieu of donation of land for the stadium, lordship.
18 others.
Lordship, yes. A bunch of 19 people had donated the land for setting up the football stadium.
On the prayer of so-and-so due to inability of additional case general is after 2 weeks.
Obliged, your lordship.
25 or 24 after 1 week. Yeah.
What?
Obliged, your lordship.
26.
Wait, some other
Vision is very same. So matter
in the morning, you don't do it now. Does Sangma never play a fair game, my lord? He never play a fair game. He said that he will adjourn the matter. Now he is ready to do it. In a very short time, he can be mentally prepared. Okay.
No, it is actually what happened. Actually, this is very short. Actually, not on merit, but only the procedure. No. The order was passed on to 24/10/2018.
Let it come out after a week. This morning he informed me that he is not interested to do it. I have not gone through the final.
That's his tactic.
He's very smart, man. Very, very smart one. And he threw people in troubles.
Yes, at the prayer also. Just for 1 week.
29.
Oh, W. Rambai. Okay.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, here this is the managing committee matters. Here the managing committee, before the expiry of the 10 years, 3 months before, submitted a proposal to the district education officers. And the proposal was submitted by the outgoing managing committee as per the rule. It is permissible. And accordingly, it was forwarded to the director for approval. And they found the proposal was okay in all respects. Then the director did not pass any orders, and I filed an applications, petition before the court, asking that direction may be given, seeking mandamus to dispose of my proposal sent to the directors. Then this honorable court disposed of the matter. In the meantime, one organization, Marwari Panchayat, also came in between. He said, I want to be a party in this case, and they were implemented as a party. Then the matter has been referred to the directors, and directors issued a notice to both the parties, and after hearing both the parties, the director did not pass any orders because there was some political pressure on him. Thereafter, I filed a contempt of court. In the contempt of court, the petitions which I filed, they said that some order is passed by the secretary, under secretary, who was never directed. Then I had withdrawn these petitions because having a fresh cause of actions, I filed the instant writ petitions. The instant writ petition, when it is filed, challenging the order of the secretary and saying that only the outgoing managing committee has got the power to custody the committee. Now, while these affidavit of petitions filed by the government, then I came to know that the order was already passed by the directors. Affidavit.
So, new cause of action?
Yes, sir. Already passed by the director. And the order passed by the director, we are not agreeable. Also, in fact, the order passed by the director is after hearing both the parties. I was heard, I personally appeared at meetings, and this is the government affidavit file. What is that? Which I have reproduced in my Rejoinder also. Government of director. Okay. Yeah. They start from the page 21 of the affidavit of the common affidavit. Here because there was a proceeding, there was a hearing. The submission was heard, page 21. We are heard on these matters. And again, the meeting was chaired by the director. Thereafter, we attended the meeting. And this is the order pass, page 28. Page 28 is the order.
What does the order say?
Page 28 is the order. It says that in compliance to the Honorable High Court judgment and order dated 5/3/2025, passed in WPC number 5 of 2024, the Managing Committee of Rai Bahadur Anup Chand Hindi Secondary School, Kitting Road, Shillong, represented by its president versus State of Meghalaya and others, I am to state that the proposal for a constitutional managing committee of RBA Hindi Secondary School for a period with effect from date of the issue of this order till 3/2/27 in reference to the letter number so and so dated 20th November 2023 forwarded by the District School Education Officer East Khasil is hereby approved with the following. Then he has approved with the following. And he said, further, in the best interest of the school, in the accordance with Rule 2C of Section 11 of the Assam Education Department Rules and Orders, revised editions 1955, an additional 2 members in excess of numbers prescribed above are proposed to be nominated for the inclusion in the managing committee of the school, specifically for the above mentioned period. The nomination is not intended to set a precedent for further appointment.
You agree with this part?
Yes, I agreed. I said, okay, we are willing to take them. Then he said, 2 additional members which are proposed to be co-opted.
What's wrong with taking 2 additional members?
To co-opted as they are the.
What is wrong then?
No, this order I am not saying.
What do you want now?
What I am saying, this is the order passed by the director. I came to know for the first time because it's not communicated. Now the secretary is interfering. The secretary said, no, your order is wrong.
Who said wrong?
The secretary said, no, you give the managing committee to the Marwari Panchayat.
Which secretary?
Under Secretary of Education Department, without inquiry, without hearing, without anything.
Deputy Secretary or Deputy Secretary?
Deputy Secretary.
Next 10. Oh.
This is annexure 8 also.
So they changed the constitution again?
Yes. Then also without hearing, without anything. So whatever the order passed by the director, we said anyway, for the first time, just to settle the matters, we are not opposing it. So my humble prayer that the court has given an order direction to the directorate.
5325?
Page 200 of the writ petition.
This is the direction given. The Lordship has given direction. The facts of the case are that the terms of the last managing committee of Rai Bahadur Secondary School Institute expired on 3/2/2024, and the outgoing managing committee before the expiry of the term had 31st/10/2022 submitted a proposal before number 2, and this is the direction given by the Civil Code is page 204. वो सेक्रेटरी का ऑर्डर कहाँ गया मैं?
Number 2 is whom? Director?
Directors.
Then?
Director passed an order. But subsequently, under pressure, he changed his order and he said 212. He said no.
So then how, if the orders is specifically respondent number 2, how did this, that the
secretary is interfering into the matters?
You call him to appear personally. That means he's in contempt of the orders of this court. How can he, you call him to appear?
The director had passed an order
Yeah,
as
call
per
him
the
to appear.
directions of the
The
sovereign.
secretary have a yes for pass the order. We will not stand
then
for
that
orders of the court to
proposal-
be flouted in this manner.
Lordship, if I can clarify this point, I'll just take
That was a draft, but the director's
See, I was just why I want to
Order.
say, if there's an order specifically
was a proposal only, Your Lordship. It was a draft which was sent to the government for approval, but thereafter the government has said that yours is not a speaking order. You
Which
give
one?
all. This is what.
My lord, the order at page 28 has to be read in a context, my lord. The context is at page 27. Lordship, may
The
kindly
court doesn't take it lightly, Mr.
No,
General. If
Lordship, I bowed
we
down.
saddle,
I bowed down.
you saddle responsibility, and I
I bowed
remember
down.
earlier case also it happened.
I bowed down,
when also I got the High Court
This is what I was trying to bring to Your Lordship's
Yeah.
notice. That page 27, Your Lordship,
of the
of my affidavit, Your Lordship.
yeah. Proposal wherever the final order should come
Regarding reconstitution of the managing committee of the Rai Bahadur Hindi, it is the letter dated 26 May 2025 by which the director has forwarded the draft for approval in connection with the reconstitution of the managing
Where's
committee. This at page 27, Your Lordship, of my affidavit.
from. No, this is the reconstitution, correct?
Yes, it was a draft proposal which was given, and the draft proposal is at page 28, which my friend counsel for the petitioner has
yes.
just read it.
This one was, but then, like, can you just overturn everything without reconsidering? No, turn to appear.
My lord, if I can clarify this one, my lord.
You're not appearing for him, are you?
No.
Then? Yes, by order dated. What's the order? Order dated 5/3/2025, passed under VC number 5/2024. This court had directed the respondent number 2. Respondent number 2.
That is what we're trying to do.
That is the. Where's the order? Page 109, 199. Had directed the respondent number 2 therein. That is Director of School Education, Literacy, Mega Shillong. Decide of the matter with regard to the constitution of the Magic Committee of the concerns of the Rai Bahadur Hindi Secondary School. However, it appears, though from the affidavit of the respondents, that a proposal have been put up by the
A draft proposal, Your Lordship.
proposal is a draft, and the proposal has been put up by the concerned respondent number 2 after hearing both the parties. The same without due process and in apparent violation of this court's order, another order is issued whereby a different management committee has been proposed or has been approved.
Approved.
Has been approved of the author of the said order. Where is that? In the affidavit?
Government affidavit.
The author said, the author of it said, he said, the author of the letter dated 13 August 2025, whereby the reconstitution was done without due process, is directed to
The
appear
author
in
is, he's the director again, Your Lordship, who's been asked to issue this letter.
No, the author, there is no,
Your Lordship, may kindly turn to Annexure 10, Your Lordship. It was under his directions that
yes, no, not author, the deputy secretary, who appears has directed for the same by letter dated 29/2025. He directed to appear before this court personally within 1 week. pick the date at 10:30 in the morning. You can't have this. You can't have orders of court. You can't just go behind whatever it be. Yeah. Under what circumstances is it done?
Oblige, Your Lordship.